Guys, it's Julie again here with Transition Discoveries, and today we're going to be going over like the tips and resources section on the Transition Discoveries website and kind of how to navigate around all that. How to like favorite specific topics and resources that maybe you want to learn more about or focus on. So this includes relationships, post-secondary education, transition planning, independent living, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get on with it and see what this website's all about. So to get started, you're going to head over to the TD website, log in, and then head over to the tab section. From there, you're going to find resources and tips for using the site. We're going to start by clicking on resources, which takes us down to the page with all these main topics. There's a search by keyword section if you're looking for something specific, or you can just select all or browse through and click the ones that you're interested in finding out more about. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice these little pull-down tabs with pre-employment transition services, resource types, and then obviously languages between English and Spanish. So here I'm just clicking a few topics and subtopics here, and then I'm hitting search. After selecting your topics and then hitting search, you'll see all these resource types pop up, and these can vary from infographics, lesson plans, tip sheets, and even little videos. And when searching these topics, you can also select specific resource types you'd like to see. That's if you just want to see some videos or just infographics, you can click the box right there. Don't forget, you can save your resources for later. To do so, just click the little star icon at the top right of the card. To view them, you can either click the resources page by selecting My Favorites underneath the search bar, or you can view them from your discovery board in the bottom section called My Resources. Next, what I'm going to show you is the tips for using the site page. On this page, you will find a tutorial and an explanation for almost everything on the site, from creating an avatar, changing your mood, how to complete adventures, how to earn badges, create a sticker map. The results of the discovery journey are shared in this section.